We'll guide you through how to fix fast charging not working on a Samsung phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be an annoying problem because you want to be able to go and have your phone go and charge fast, but it's not. So we're going to guide you through some different things you can try doing in order to go and fix this. Make sure you watch this full guide and don't go and skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this video and the method that goes and fixes it. Without any other further ado, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you're using the original cable and ideally an original plug if it came with one. Now what I've gone and found which can cause problems if I'm using some type of adapter. For example, my wall adapter is USB, and so I have to go and get a USB to USB-C adapter for the cable to go and plug in. So what I did is I went and got just a direct plug, and which a USB-C can go into the wall with an adapter, and that solved the problem. So make sure you aren't trying to use any sort of USB adapters, as that can go and stop it from working, and make sure you're using the official cable. Go and see if that solves it. If it doesn't, the next thing you want to try doing is opening up your settings. So swipe up and find it. You can always go and search the top of those app pages for settings as well. Now what you need to do is you want to go and scroll down and you need to go and find battery. And in here, you want to go and scroll down and find the option for charging settings and make sure that fast charging is turned on. If it's turned off, that can be why it's not working. So now that we've gone and done that, you can try plugging it in and hopefully that's going to go and solve it. Now, if you still find that it isn't, then what you can do is just go and unplug it and we're going to try doing a restart. So you can tap and hold the side button, press restart and press restart again to go and confirm the decision. Often doing a restart can just go and refresh things. So hopefully that'll go and solve it. If it still isn't working, you can try using a different wall plug. And if it still doesn't solve it, what you should try doing is just going and waiting a bit. Sometimes if it's too hot, it may not go and be fast charging. So now, hopefully after you tried those different things, when you go and plug it in, it'll go and say at the bottom, fast charging, as you can see. Hopefully you managed to go and resolve it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video for more.